Learn to lower your expectations. A lot of people are unhappy with life because their expectations are too high. Nobody can meet it, even God. Maraming tao, feeling nila dapat sila lang lagi tama, or when what they expect does not happen, they feel that they're not taken care of, love, they feel miserable. But that's not the case. Sometimes bad things just happen. Today, I went to the gym at 10:30 a.m. even if it was raining, pero pagkatapos wala na. Yesterday, I was in Baguio, La Union, and we had to go home a day early because it was raining. Yes, nasira yung bakasyon namin by one day. But were we unhappy? No. Because I was with friends and family. I loved the people I was with. So, sulit na ang buhay. Masaya na. So friends, if you're dealing with a problem today, if you're dealing with your expectations not being met, ganun lang talaga eh. Just have to learn how to be grateful, learn how to enjoy life, learn to be thankful, and see when you open your eyes, when you open yourself to possibilities, there will be hidden miracles. Kagabi pa uwi, ang dami namin naisip for the business, ang daming kwentuhan about life, sharing. Today, it was a good workout, met new friends in the gym that can actually help me in business. And sobrang galing. Why? Because I opened myself to new possibilities. So whatever you're going through today, whatever problem you have, open yourself to new possibilities and lower your expectations. Smile more and be happy, and let grace bless you today. So have a great weekend, enjoy life, and be grateful for your blessings. Thank you for watching Overcomer. My name is JPaul Hernandez, and on September 27, I have a finance workshop called How to Overcome Financial Stress. I'm inviting you there. It's going to be sponsored by Sketchpad Workshops, Sun Life Financials, and Jollibee. It's gonna be hosted by Canva Australia. So link is below, and I'll see you there to help you find your side hustle or just help you fix your finances. See you there. The best yet to come. God bless. This is JPaul Hernandez.